Example 9. In the diagram below, O is the center of a circle, HKL. HK is equal to 16 cm, HL is 10 cm, and the perpendicular from O to HKL is 4 cm. What is the length of the perpendicular from O to HL? We are told that the perpendicular from O to HK, let's indicate it like this, is equal to 4. And we have to find the perpendicular from O to, so what is the length of the perpendicular from O to HL? We have to find this length from here to here, the length of the perpendicular. From O, this is the center. Now let's call this one small letter L, or let's just leave it as the point here. Let's call it just leave it as it is. Then remember that from H to O is the radius, and because this line O to this point is perpendicular, it bisects the chord, making this part to be 8 and this part is also 8. Similarly, from O to the line HL, bisect that chord, making this one to be 5 and this one is also 5. Our interest is to find the value from here to here. Let's call it S. Now from what we have in this case, let's call this one here Y already, or let's call it R, the radius of the circle. So from the figure, as we have it, from the figure, you see now that our arrow squared is equal to 4 squared plus 8 squared. Alright? Now that will translate to 16 plus 64, and that is equal to 5. 4 plus this is 0, and then that is 80. So our arrow squared is equal to 80. We shall now use the value of arrow squared and then the value of 5 to find the value of S. So we can now say hence, in this case, our S squared is equal to arrow squared minus 5 squared. And our arrow squared is 80. Take away 25. And when you take away 25 from this, you will have 55. So we are going to find S by getting the square root of 55. Therefore, our S will be equal to the square root of 55. And if you find the square root of 55, you will have 7.416. And correct this to 2 decimal places, 7.42 centimeters to 2 decimal places. So perpendicular from O to HL is 7.42 centimeters.